Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create a creepy cinematic Halloween photo effect. I call this one the monster shadow horror portrait. It's super easy to do using Gemini's Nano Banana tool. It's Google News AI image editor that lets you transform your photo instantly just by typing a prompt. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser and then just log in with your Google account, and once you're in, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images. This way we'll activate the Nano Banana, and then next just upload a clear portrait photo of yourself or anyone that you want to transform. Make sure the face is visible and valid, and the AI needs to clearly recognize the features. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. Okay, like this. Next, let's type in a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt, but feel free if you want to tweak or just modify it to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, Nano Banana will turn your photo into a horror-style cinematic portrait like this, with complete with dramatic shadows, dramatic hand shadows, and Halloween vibes like this. And then, if the first result isn't perfect, you can tweak small details in the prompt, like maybe changing the pose, lighting, or outfit, and then just regenerate again. And okay, that's it. You have just created your own monster shadow horror portrait using Gemini's Nano Banana. It's the easiest way to make Halloween edits that looks like they came straight out of a movie. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you.